you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have tried a very different look and it really turned out so well. I'm loving this look. It is looking very attractive and very beautiful. So I have seen many bloggers and many Instagram followers, they are trying very different look and I have followed one of them. So you can carry this type of looks in your vacations, and right now many people are going in a vacations, like if you're going in a beach vacations, if you're going in Maldives, Bali, there also you can carry this type of looks. It will look awesome, stunning and beautiful on you. And if you're going for any pool party, there also you can try this type of looks. For any new year party, there also you can use this look. So by thinking that I have created this look, it will look stunning and beautiful on you, no doubt, and you will get many compliments. So let me know in the comment sections if you try this type of looks, and also don't forget to tag me. So if you want to see how I have created this look, then watch this video till the end. So here I'm using a Garnier Wrinkle Lift cream. It's anti-aging cream. So it's very lightweight. It absorbs in the skin very easily, and your skin will also feel very good. So before start your makeup, always prep your skin with a moisturizer. And if you're looking for a good anti-aging cream, definitely you can have this one. And now I'm giving some time to absorb it in my skin. And now I'm using a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer. So this is a very good primer. It has a blur effect and it has a pinkish tone, which gives instant freshness in your skin, and your makeup will also look very flawless and beautiful. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So I'm going to use this concealer under my eyes and above my eyes, so that my eyeshadow will look flawless and beautiful. And also I'm going to use this concealer in my highlighting points. And now I'm blending this concealer with the help of a damp beauty sponge. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So this is a very good foundation. It doesn't look cakey. It looks very natural on skin, and it is easily blendable. It's a everyday foundation. If you're looking for a good foundation, drugstore foundation, definitely you can purchase this one. It's a highly recommended from my end. And if you're in my skin tone, then you can have this shade. This is 230 Natural Buff. And now I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette. Here I'm going to take this banana powder and going to use above my eyes, so that my eyeshadow will look creaseless. And also in my smiling area, wherever the crease will come, there I'm going to use this banana powder. And now I'm going to take this Nykaa eyebrow definer pencil in the shade B with Chestnut. So I'm going to draw my eyebrows. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. Here I'm taking this transition shade and going to blend this in my above crease. And here I'm taking this pack fluffy brush to blend this transition shade all over in my upper lid of my eyes. And now I'm going to take this Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake, and here I'm going to take this light pink shade and the red shade. I'm going to mix these two shades with this Nicka eyeshadow brush and going to use it in the inner crease of my eyes to create that depth in my eye look. And I will give much time in my blending so that my eyeshadow will look beautiful. And now I'm going to take this blue shimmer shade and going to take this sky blue shimmer shade. So here I'm going to use my finger and going to mix these two shades, and then I'm going to use it in my center of my eyes and also using it in the inner lid of my eyes. So again I'm taking the blue shimmer shade and again I'm using it in the inner lid and also in the center of my eyes. Whenever you will use any shimmer shade, always use your finger because only then you will get the maximum pigmentation. And now I'm taking the packed floppy brush and I'm blending it all together to have that seamless finish. And also I'm taking this Nicka eyeshadow brush. I haven't taken any pink shade. I'm just blending this all together to have that compact look. And now I have used a dark brown shade. So I have taken another brush and I have taken a very little amount of dark brown shade and using it in my outer corner of my eyes and then blending it to the inner corner to have that smoky eyes. So this is a dark brown shade I have used. And now I'm going to take this terracotta brown shade and going to use it in the lower lash line area. And now I'm going to use this sugar contour palette, and here I'm taking this highlighter and going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. Again I'm taking this Nicka eyeshadow palette and here I'm taking this light pink and this red shade again, and I'm blending it in the inner crease of my eyes so that my eye look more sharp and more smoky, and it will create a nice depth. And now I'm going to use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to use a Nykaa kajal in my waterline. So here I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to curl my lashes and to add volume in my lashes. And here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. So I'm using a very thin eyeliner above my eyelashes. So here I'm using Wet n Wild contour palette, and here I have taken the bronze shade to contour my cheekbones and my side forehead. And also contouring my nose. And jawlines. So now I'm going to take this Colorbur Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So this is a very good peach color blush. It looks very good on Indian skin tones and it gives a very fresh look in your makeup. So if you're looking for a good blush, then definitely you can have this one. And now I'm going to use this highlighter from Sugar Contour palette and going to highlight my cheekbones and my eyebrow bone area. also in the center of my nose and above my lips, and a little bit in my chin and also in my forehead. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline powder matte lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. So this is a very good nude pink color, and it's a highly pigmented, and it is a everyday wear color, so and it will look on most of the Indian skin tone. So if you're looking for a nude pink color, then definitely you can have this one. So this is my final look. Hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you have learned something from this video, and please try it out on yourself also. Definitely it will look very beautiful on you also. And let me know, do you want me to try any other different eyeshadow look? Then definitely I'm going to try it out for you. And whatever product I have used today, all mentioned in the descriptions below, you can check it out from there. And if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, and please give a like so that I can understand that you are liking this type of videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because that keeps me motivated, and I'll be making more this type of videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.